Your family needs a printer that's fast, affordable, and easy to use. That's why we developed the EcoTank ET-2720, an innovative cartridge-free solution that uses high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks. So you'll worry less about running out of ink, and save a lot on replacement ink. The ET-2720 features genuine Epson print quality, a high-resolution flatbed scanner, and convenient color display, making it the ideal basic home printer. Innovative cartridge-free printing, high-capacity ink tanks mean no more tiny, expensive ink cartridges. Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles make filling easy and worry-free. Dramatic savings on replacement ink. Save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. That's enough to print up to 4,500 pages black, 7,500 color, equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. Stress-free printing. Up to 2 years of ink in the box, and with every replacement ink set, for fewer out-of-ink frustrations. Zero cartridge waste. By using an EcoTank printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. Impressive print quality. Unique micro-piezo heat-free technology produces sharp text, plus impressive color photos and graphics, on virtually any paper type. Built-in scanner Copier, high-resolution flatbed scanner and a color display for easy document copying and navigation. Modern connectivity, features wireless, plus hands-free voice-activated printing. Easily print from your smart device with the intuitive Epson Smart Panel app. Designed for reliability, worry-free 2-year limited warranty with registration, including full unit replacement. Epson strongly recommends the use of genuine Epson inks for a quality printing experience. Non-Epson inks and inks not formulated for your specific printer may cause damage that is not covered by the Epson warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for sublimation printing. I purchased this printer for sublimation printing, after I accidentally bought the wrong kind of printer first. It works wonderfully. I did have to deep clean the nozzles first in order for all of the colors to print, but after that it worked like a charm. I already made several Christmas mugs and car coasters.